Bijal here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my weight loss journey. Now over the past 1 year I had put on a lot of weight, and there was a time when I was struggling and I wanted to lose weight but I didn't know what to do, but somehow I have managed to lose some weight. So I wanted to share it with you all because I know a lot of y'all are there who have put on weight and are now struggling with losing weight. So if you want to know how I lost it, what was my journey, then please keep on watching. So during the past 1 year, my weight has been up and down. Like, I was too busy with my work and I was not paying attention to what I'm eating or not doing any exercise, and that's when I started gaining a little bit of weight. But I ignored it because I was like, "ठीक है, 1-2 kgs, it's okay, it does not matter." But then I started taking it for granted, and that's when I lost it. And trust me, it was so bad. I gained 9 kgs and it was too much. Like, there was a point when I realized that, oh my god, what have I done to myself? Because I have never been this way. I have always maintained a certain kind of weight, and now I have put on 9 kgs and I couldn't look at myself in the mirror. I felt very demotivated. I felt that, my confidence is dropping. Now I know that body positivity is something that everyone encourages, and I do too. I know that you should not be ashamed of yourself because of the way you look. But if you feel that your body is not giving you confidence, then I urge you to do something about it. And also, it's not good for your health to have so much fat in you. So that's when I decided that now it's enough is enough. I need to do something about my weight, and I need to get back to shape, get back to where I was before all of this started. So that's when I started doing some research. Like, I came across a lot of diets like keto diet and GM diet and a lot of other diets which were crash diet, and I wanted to do something which is sustainable and which is not just like, if I leave it then the weight will come back. So that's when I started researching about things, and I started doing some walks at home, and also started doing a little bit of cardio, some push-ups and squats, etc. I started doing all of that at home, but I was feeling that something is missing, something is not right, and I need to look into it. And that's when I realized that I need to change my diet, because even though how much ever I exercise, but I'm eating the wrong foods, then I'm not going to lose any weight. So that's when I came across this Facebook page which I really liked, and I'm very happy and grateful that I came across that page. So that page is called Immunity Matters. This page has a lot of information. Like, they have a lot of different recipes, and they have a lot of even consultants and doctors on that page who help you out if you ask any questions. And that is something which I found really helpful. I felt that, oh my god, this is something that's giving me a genuine answer, and it's not some any random person writing anything on Google, because they have professionals on that page. Plus, since I was working out at home, they also had some exercises and yoga videos on the page, which helped me, because that will help me to do the exercises in the right manner, and it will help me to select what exercises suit my body, and accordingly I can do the exercises. So I started doing workouts from there. I started trying different recipes from there. My most favorite recipe from that page was the overnight oats. Oh my god, I really love it. Like, I have been a person who hates eating oats. Like, I have tried oats upma, dosa and all of that, but somehow I don't like the texture of it, I don't like the taste of it, and I can't eat it. And I know that oats is very healthy for us, so I wanted to inculcate that in my diet. And that's when I came across the overnight oats recipe. So while I was doing all of this, I thought that I should visit a nutritionist who would like make me a flow chart of my meal plans, and I would be following that, and I would be able to move ahead in that direction. And I realized that, oh my god, there are also nutritionists on this page, and they helped me a lot. Like, if you have any query, you can just ask your questions and they will answer that immediately, which was really helpful. And it made me feel that I'm not alone, I'm getting some professional guideline, and that was really satisfying. And along with that, they also have live sessions in which they talk about, topics on immunity and about health, nutrition. So I also attended a couple of those live sessions. I think they hold it like twice or once or twice a week, I'm not sure, but I attended 2 or 3 of those sessions, and those were also very informative. I enjoyed those as well. So all in all, I would suggest that you follow this page and you would get a lot of information. Now, apart from this page, I have been doing a lot of things which I want to share with you guys. Tip number 1: the minute you get up in the morning, just go and have a glass of warm water with apple cider vinegar. That really helps. Now, apple cider vinegar, what it does is that it boosts your metabolism. So I feel that you should have that in the morning, because the first thing in the morning you have that and your body gets charged up to burn those fat and lose that weight. So, but it is always advisable to dilute it in water and have. You cannot just have it directly. So that was the one thing that I did every single day. And after that, the second thing that I did was that I had a lot of proteins in my food. Like, for example, I had a lot of dals, I had a lot of paneer. Since I'm vegetarian, I don't have non-veg or even eggs, so I had to include veg-based proteins in my food. So that's what I included. Like, for all my dinners, I made sure that I have at least 100 grams of paneer, because at night time, if you take a lot of protein, that will help you digest and help you burn that fat even faster. So for dinners, I always took proteins, and even in the morning, for breakfast, I took maybe some moong dal chillas or oats, as I said, oats, overnight oats. And even for my lunch, I used to have a bowl of dal. So proteins are very important. Then thirdly is that increase your water intake. Have a minimum of 3 liters of water. So I started off with 3 liters of water, but then I moved on to 3.5, and now I have 4 liters of water every day. Trust me, it really helps. It flushes out all the toxins from your body, and also it gives you good skin, good hair. So the benefits of having water is endless, right? So I would suggest that have a minimum of 3 liters of water every single day. The next tip that I want to give you guys is that cut off all sugars. All artificial sugars should be cut off from your diet, and I would suggest that have one fruit, maybe during your evening snacks or in the morning during your breakfast, but just have one fruit during the day and don't have a lot of it. And especially stay clear from fruits like bananas, chikus or custard apple, because these fruits are very high in sugar content. So stay away from there. Have more of berries, because I found out that berries have natural antioxidants in them. So along with satisfying your craving for sweets, they also help in detoxifying your body. And I also included a lot of superfoods like pumpkin seeds, chia seeds and flax seeds. So try inculcating these type of superfoods in your diet. My most important tip, and which is the last tip, is that stay focused on yourself. Do a little bit of exercise. If you can't do anything at home, you can't go to the gym, just try to manage half an hour of walk every day, and trust me, that really helps, because food and exercise go hand in hand, and that would really help your body develop. It will help your body act in the right way. And along with losing weight, like, losing weight should be your secondary goal. Your main goal should be that you want to take care of your body, and that's what I did. Because if I wanted to just lose weight, I would have probably done some crash diet, but that was not my goal. I want a sustainable weight. I want to have a healthy lifestyle more than anything else. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and share what you thought about it in the comment section below, and let me know whatever you're feeling. If you have gone through something similar, or if you are also trying to lose weight, or if you have done something better which I have not probably talked about, then do let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it from my side. Also let me know if you want me to do any other videos, if you want me to create this makeup look for you guys, or any other videos that you want me to do. And if you want me to give you a detailed diet plan that I have been following, So if you want that also, then let me know. I will do a separate video for that. So yeah, I will take your leave now, and that's it from my side. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe. Bye.